Hello guys, my name is Ari Mendes, and today I'm gonna show you how to and teach you how to make a bar plot using Python. Using Matplotlib, pandas, and NumPy in Python. If I'm not mistaken, we're not gonna use like pandas and NumPy, but we're gonna import them anyways because better safe than sorry. Anyways, just to start this off, let's just define what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna first import them. Import libraries. Okay, import numpy as mp, import pandas as pd, and import matplotlib that pyplot as plt. Yeah, then let's just use a style that I like the most, which is called ggplot. uh, plt that style use ggplot. Okay, now plt show, but let's just defining here we're gonna, okay, the figure and the axis. Okay, figure and axis, fig and, okay, x, I was about the right end as well, equals to plt that subplots, and then we're gonna say like number of columns is gonna be equal to 1. This is by default, but I'm just to practice and remember certain arguments, I just write it. Okay, number of rows. So if you don't write this is gonna be okay because it's by default. If you it's 1, right? Yeah, equals to 1 as well. And then we're gonna say like um fixed size equals to a tuple that is gonna have like 6 by 5. And what's the problem? In course, yeah. Now we see we're trying to frame right here. um and then let's just do this. What we want to plot, we have to have the data that we want to plot, because we're not gonna like start plotting like something insanely, right? Let's just say that I have fruits in the x-axis, and I also have the quantity sold in the y-axis. Okay, and after that we can go ahead and say like fruits is gonna be equal to a list, Python list, right? And we're gonna list them all together. Let's just say I have bananas, let's say I have oranges, and let's say I have a cherry. I also have strawberry. Let me put them all in plural. Okay, we have 4 now, and then let's say for the last one, pineapples. Okay, what happened? Pineapples. Okay, we good now. So let's say quantity sold is gonna be equal to Python list, and we can say that let's just put them like random, well distributed by the way, like 150, 179, let's say 160, 130, and 99. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. We gotta delimit them, yeah, already. Yeah, here we have Then let's just do this. Bars equals to x. Okay, it's gonna be equal to, okay, x bar, and we want to plot the fruits in the x-axis, and then quantity sold. Quantity sold. Let's see. Just to see. Yeah, here we have it. But we would want that like to be having like all these colors. Like, I mean, this is an only color, right? We're gonna have like to change it a little bit. Here I have like a list of colors that can help me out with this. Let's define this like right up here. So let's just say this part here we have like the description of the colors. I don't like these ones, so let's just say we're gonna pass this to the last in case we have to the end, sorry, in case we have uh, more bars to plot. So let's just say it's called like a color now, like just put it like colors, and let's just say now color equals to colors. Let's see now. Yeah, better now. But we've gotta like make this look with percentages. It's looking like with the like absolute amount and that thing. Imagine we have several um, thousands in here represented by this part. It wouldn't look good anyways. So let's just do this. Let's just declare a variable that's called, okay, total sold is gonna be equal to np sum. No, let's choose, yeah, np sum quantity sold. No, I don't want to print that. But then I can go ahead and write pcrt equals to a list, and we're gonna say like quan for quan in quantity sold, and we don't only want to have this sorted and stored in pcrt. We want to round every element, and it's gonna be to two decimal places. We want also to, let me see this part, to multiply by honey, and after multiplying it by honey, I mean before multiplying it by honey, we want also to divide it by the total sold. That way we can have the this in a percentage, let's say way, in a percentual way. So let's choose, okay, let's continue to plot. But now what we're gonna do is just, we're gonna call it pcrt, and let's just go where we go. Yeah, great. So now we see like this is 25% and all this, like the largest is this one, but we're not seeing it though in here right at the top, like saying and indicating, because this says 20, but it may be like 21 or something, 21 point something, like something in decimal places. So let's just say we wanna go and iterate over the bars for bar in bars. So let's just, okay, say bar that get, okay, width plus, okay, bar that get x divided by 2. Okay, okay, width, I'm sorry, width equals to this part, and then we say height is gonna be equal to bar that gate height. And let's see, and then we say ask that text. Okay, then we pass it this argument, which is going to be width, okay, height, and then we say let's see the string, which is going to be, okay, an f string. The f string is going to have the height, yeah, and then we have the percentage sign in here. So let's just how it looks. Let's just see how it looks. What's going on? Text. Oh, we have to write text. I'm sorry for the miss. Yeah, but we don't like. We've gotta. Let's see here. I know if I did it backwards. Yeah, perhaps. If I write 2 plus, and then let's just erase this percentage sign. Yeah, better. But now we have to make them to be aligned. So let's just say vertical alignment is going to be equal to bottom, and horizontal alignment is going to be equal to center. Exactly. So now we have the indicator that says percentage, but we want to have an indicator right here and another right here and a title. So let's just say how we made or done. So add title, y label, and x label. So let's just say ask that set. Then we say title equals to bar plot about fruits sold. Okay, then we say like y label equals to quantity sold, yeah, represented by percentages. And then we say like x label equals to fruits, and then yeah, we have it. There we go. Like we finished, I think so. Hey guys, hope this has helped you and you can learn from this. I'm gonna see you in another video. Yeah, thank you for coming and seeing the video. Bye bye.